southern Connecticut, New Haven County in southern Connecticut, northern Westchester County in southeastern New York. Until 6:45 p.m. thunderstorm was located just in 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Reading or near Newtown, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Another severe thunderstorm was located just east of Waterbury. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bridgeport around 6:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Trumbull around 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Monroe around 6:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
There it is.
Milford and Shelton around 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Connecticut, Fairfield, and New Haven.
Oh my gosh. Crap.
The current time is 6:02 p.m. Thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, New Haven County in southern Connecticut, northern Westchester County.
Here it is. It's on my Santa and it's on my new day.
6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
Oh, wow. Whoa, another one. Special Marine warning.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound east of New Haven, Connecticut, Port Jefferson, New York, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over New Haven Harbor, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near New Haven Harbor around 7:25 p.m. The Thimbles around 8 p.m. Faulkner Island, Madison Reef, and Central Long Island Sound around 8:15 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Okay, so that was a special marine warning, and I was anticipating. Go. Severe thunderstorm. Yes.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northeastern Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southwestern Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, eastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lincoln or near Lexington,
There's thunder
moving east
outside.
at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Cambridge, Somerville, Framingham, Waltham, Malden, Medford, Arlington, Everett, Leominster, Fitchburg, Billerica, Marlborough, Woburn, Shrewsbury, Chelmsford, Watertown, Lexington, Tewksbury, and Milford. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts. Now for the official national. East Central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in some areas. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Framingham, Billerica, Marlborough, Chelmsford, Westford, Acton, Hudson, Concord, Sudbury, Northborough, Bedford, Maynard, Southborough, Littleton, Eyre, Stowe, Harvard, Boxborough, Bolton, and Carlisle. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts.